You just lost your best customer, and you don't even know it yet. Not because of your product. Because nobody told you they paid. Someone already built the fix, and it installs in one click. Here's how to have it live in under 3 minutes. Let's get started inside viaSocket. Log into your account. You'll land on the workspace picker. Choose the workspace you want to build in, or create a new one. From the left sidebar, open Templates. Click the search bar and type ThriveCart. Then pick ThriveCart from the app suggestions to filter the library down. 26 ThriveCart automations, ready to go. The one we want is never miss a VIP order. Auto-thank customer. Alert Slack email founder. Click it. The template shows exactly what it does, in 4 steps. A ThriveCart purchase triggers it. Slack alerts the team. Gmail emails the founder, and Gmail sends the customer their own thank you. Hit install. Now configure step 1, the trigger. Choose your ThriveCart connection. If this is your first time, click Add New to connect your account. Click Test. viaSocket pulls in a real purchase payload with the customer name, the product, and the order value. That is the data every step after this one will use. Step 2 is alert team about high-value customer. Pick your Slack connection, or add new if you have not linked it yet. Choose the channel your team should see this in. The message is already written, new VIP order received. Test it, and the alert lands in Slack right away. Save and next. Step 3 is send mail to founder. Pick your Gmail connection. The subject line is already set, high-value purchase received. So is the message, with the customer name, the product, and the order value mapped in automatically. Test it, and confirm with a sample order. The founder's inbox gets that email in seconds. Save and next. Step 4 is send normal thank you mail. Same Gmail connection, this time addressed straight to the customer. The subject is thank you for your purchase. The body already has their name and the product they bought filled in. Test it, confirm, and the customer gets their thank you instantly. Save and next. Go live, and your flow is running. Want to take it further? Switch to the advanced flow to build with custom steps, conditions, and AI actions. Here's what just went live. 1 ThriveCart purchase triggers the flow. Team alerted instantly in Slack. Founder notified by email. Customer thanked automatically. 1 purchase, 3 automatic follow-ups, 0 manual work. Need more? Or explore more ready-to-use automations in the template library. Don't worry, it's free for now. So keep building with viaSocket.